If I'm not wrong, you have asked me why I'm an atheist. Am I right? Richard Dawkins, who is supposed to be the god of atheism, he interviewed me and he asked me, his opening question was, why are you an atheist? I said, because I think. That's all. The fact is that it is very strange that we who have a brain and all the parts of the brain are functioning, we are smart.
Sorry.
God is upset. Sorry. So, all the functions are smart. We are writers, we are businessmen, we are in any administrator and whatever. And we are rational, logical and function properly. But a part of our brain is damaged in our childhood when we had no choice. And all the reason rationality stopped there. They don't enter that area. So we live in a strange contradiction. You see, 500 years ago, Galileo was prosecuted for saying that it is the earth that orbits the sun. He was put in the jail and they would have perhaps hanged him or put him on guillotine because their holy book was telling it that it is the sun that goes around. I don't blame those people at all. Because whatever their faith was, that was their knowledge. That was their information. This 20th century and 21st century are the time of schizophrenia. People have split personalities. They know that it is not the sun that is in orbit, but they still believe in that religion. A man in India from ISRO who can send a rocket to the precise place of moon. But moon had Chandralok, Devi Devtas used to live there. You are sending a rocket there. And the moment you send it, you go out and go to the temple. This is schizophrenia. It has happened for the first time in human history, where your own knowledge and information, which you own, and your faith are not on the same page. It is so very common that if you point out something is wrong with you. मैं एक बात आपसे पूछता हूँ. Suppose there is a man who has come from back of the beyond, from some remote place of UP or Bihar. He has a lot of money. He comes to Bombay, buys a penthouse in Ajit's building, and there is Italian marble, there are beautiful walls, well painted and so on. What he does? पूरी फ्लोर के ऊपर वो गोबर का लीप लगाता है सब पे. देन वाइफ सेज कि ये जो किचन है इसमें तो खड़े होके खाना बनाना पड़ता है, मैं तो बैठ के बनाती हूँ, तो कहाँ बनाऊँ? तो उसने कहा देखो ये लिविंग रूम जिसे कहते हैं यही सबसे बड़ा कमरा, तुम इसी में चूल्हा लगा लो. तो शी पुट्स अ चूल्हा देयर, और उसको आदत है लकड़ी से ही चूल्हा जलाती, उसमें लकड़ी है. बट देन ही इज it is his generation's habit to have one bhais. So he buys a bhais and brings it to the penthouse, somehow manages. Now you enter. A man was lying down on charpai, bhais वहाँ बंधी हुई है, he is smoking hookah. A woman sitting near a chulha, traditional chulha, and making rotis. What do you think of that man? भाई तुम्हें यही करना तो तुम विलेज में ही रहते. हाँ कि ना? He is doing physically. Many people are doing intellectually and mentally. ये क्लैप थोड़ी कम थी. बहुत से लोगों ने मुझसे डिसएग्री किया, ऐसा लगता है.